Hey guys, happy Fun Friday. Since today is Friday, y'all know I like to read books on Fridays just cuz it's Friday. So we are going to read a book. It is called A Truck Full of Ducks. The reason I chose this is because yesterday y'all made a boat and hopefully it floated on water. And usually ducks float in y'all usually have those little duckies that float in your bath. And also because it's talking about a truck and we're talking about transportation. So let's go ahead and start. So A Truck Full of Ducks. I'm gonna have to get closer. Thanks for calling me, Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Munch, munch, munch. Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks. We'll find the customer. Because it says this way, that way. They don't know where to go. They're probably going to get lost. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, not me. I called for a mail truck. So the ducks are trying to look for who called them. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? The duck truck? No, not me, buddy. I called for the dump truck. Dump truck. Because he's kind of drilling. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, dude, not us. We called for an ice cream truck. Who called for a truck full of ducks? Did you call for a truck full of ducks? It wasn't me, Mighty. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers. Crackers, not quackers. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Sorry, Earthling. I called for a tow truck. 30,000 light years away, huh? This is gonna cost you. It's an alien. You see the little funky alien? And his ship. Who called for a truck full of ducks? And then this thing says, you're in luck. Last potty 4 miles. Hurry up, ducks. So they're going potty first. They're taking a potty break. Back in the truck. The clock is ticking. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Hey, Walter! No more ducks. I called for a dog removal truck. Hi, Fred. And then the lady says, I've seen worse. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That was me, says. Let's see who says it. It says Deep Dark Woods. Over here, says whoever it is. And then these signs say, caution, dead end, one scare away, no Wi-Fi, and a hungry fox. So it must be a fox. Okay, ducks, out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. Perfect timing. My dinner, says Fox. Is over. So he meant to say my dinner is over. Time for my bath. There. So he didn't eat them. He didn't end up eating them. Bath time gig. Stan, you know it, Frank. The end. So they ended up finding who ordered ducks. Oh, yeah, and that's it. The end. So I hope you like the book. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday, okay? Bye.